It's good to come your way once again as we continue our wonderful journey in core mathematics. My name is Nana Yawedu, and you can call me Sir Nana. Remember to like this video, share this video, comment, click on the notification bell, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get all videos on time. In our previous lesson, we have considered how we can find some additions of vectors, basically operations on vectors. And in this lesson, we want to look at another example where we would perform some operations, basically addition on vectors. Now let's consider this question. So the question says that if a vector A and then a vector B and a vector C, right? Then we've been given some vectors for A, B, and C. And we are asked to find A plus B, B plus C, and then A plus B plus C. So let's perform the addition of these vectors. So basically, our A has been given to us as 2/5 at the top, and then 37 down, right? And then our B is giving us -2/3 and then 3. And then our C is giving us 1 and then 6. And then our I, we have to find A plus B, right? So we know that based on vector addition, we are just going to pick the coordinates for our A, which is 2/5. And then we add it to our B, which is -2/3. And then we'll pick that of our B, or the coordinates for the Y for A, which is 37. And then that of the B, which is 3. So it means that at the top, we have a fraction, right? So it means that our A plus B will be equal to 2/5. Positive and negative will give us negative, so -2/3 at the top, and then down 37 plus 3 should give us 40. So when we perform the simplification here, 5 and then 3 would have an LCM of 15. 5 will go into 15 3 times. 3 times 2 will give us 6. And then 3 will go into 15 5 times. 5 times 2 will give us 10. Right, so 6 minus 10 should give us -4. Right, so we have this and then we have 40 down here. So it means that A plus B should be equal to -4 at the top, then 40 for the Y coordinate. So -4/15, right? So it's supposed to be -4/15 because it's a fraction. So -4/15 at the top and 40 for the Y coordinates. Now let's consider the II. So in the II, we are asked to find B plus C. So B plus C means that we will take our B coordinates, which is -2/3, and then our 3, and then we will take our C, right, which is 1 and 6, and then we'll add them. So that implies that our B plus C should be equal to -2/3, -2/3 plus 1, and then 3 plus 6, right? So this implies that our -2/3 will have 3, then we'll have -2 plus 3, because our LCM will be 3. 3 will go into itself 1. 1 will multiply -2 as -2, and then 3 will go into 1. 1 will multiply the 3 as 3. So this is a simple fraction that we are doing, right? Then 3 plus 6 should give us 9. So it means that our B plus C should be equal to 1/3 for the top. -2 plus 3 should be 1/3, and then 9 for the Y coordinates. And then this time we want to add A plus B plus C. So it means that our A should be 2/5, and then 37, then we have plus, Our b should be negative 2 over 3, and then 3. Then we'll add, our c should be 1, and then 6. Right? So this implies that we would have a plus b plus c to be equal to, so in the case of the top, our LCM should be 15, right? So 5 will go into 15 how many times? That's what we ask ourselves. So that is 3. 3 times 2 give us 6, right? And then 3 will go into 15 how many times? 5. 5 times 2 give us minus 10. And then 15 will go into 1 how many times? 15. 15 times 1 should give us 15. Right, and then the bottom part, you have 37 plus 3, which should give us 40. 40 plus 6 will give us 46. So let's perform the simplification for the top. It means that at the top, 6 minus 10 will give us negative 4. Negative 4 plus 15 should give us 11. So you have 11 over 15 for the top, and then 46 for the y coordinate. So it means that our a plus b plus c should be equal to 11 over 15 for the x coordinate, and then 46 for the y coordinate. So you realize that in this question we have gone through all the process to be able to add vectors, and we've looked at how we can add vectors, which even includes fractions as part of the coordinates. In our next lesson, we want to consider another way of performing operation on vectors, which will be multiplying a vector by a scalar. See you in the next lesson.